So uh, this is an installation procedure for installing the monkey team. Okay, the first you have to do is installing the Visual Studio Code. Install the Visual Studio Code. There is a I'll send you the link. Okay, so code.visualstudio.com/download, and don't look into any hyperlinks. Just directly click on the Windows and it will be downloaded like this. Okay, it's a 100 MB. It's very small file. So install this. Okay, and you know the installation procedure. So once it is installed, open the Visual Studio. Open the Visual Studio. Okay, and just go to the extensions here. Extensions on the left bar. Okay, you have an extensions. So here there is an option like three dots. So the last option, which is called install from VSAX file. So I'm going to send you the VSX document. Okay, so when you just choose it, it'll ask you to pick the VX. So you have to pick from the monkey team, whatever, like the version which I'm sending you. So just click on it and then install it. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So once you install it, it will be installed and you can see that extension here. Here, no? So this is a UI. Okay. And we will be sending you like a key. Okay. So you just have to go to the extensions again. So once it is installed, you can see that monkeyteam.io and there is a settings button, and go to the extension settings, and in the workspace you have to enter the API key, that which we are going to send you, monkeyteam to monkeyteam and 15 or whatever it is. Okay, so we'll send you the API key. Just copy paste it here. So once it is pasted, then once it is copied, then you can comment, write a question. So that's what and what. Okay, so here we have some designated designations and the perfect all the tones we have listed, and the writing style we have listed here, and you have to ask the question in your in your way. So it will rewrite the question into the chat GPT, like the train model way. Okay, it will generate the prompt and copy that prompt and paste it here. So we already have an option once it is created. So it will be adding one text box. Okay, for example, dynamic expert, professional tone, um, formal and academic style. Okay, so I'll just ask to get um, can you get me all the model elements from the Revit? Okay, I'll get all the model elements. Which elements? All the model elements and small elements in the Revit model. That's it. Generally, you're not supposed to ask like this. So just click on rewrite. That's a simple copy. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks like. So here will be the prompt. That's it. Here is the prompt. Could you kindly provide a tutorial on how to create a Dynamo script that extract all wall elements from the Revit model? Your guidance on this matter would be greatly appreciated. So let's just copy and type the same here and hit enter. But it's still generating. Okay. So if I want to use this code, I'll just copy, or else if we want to test it, Let's say insert and run. Cache simple. Okay. So I mean, if I know that the print command won't work in this, so I'll just share this to the print to out or whatever. Okay. Clear?